Hello to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Marilu Paras, 35 years old from Philippines. My height is 150 centimeter and my weight is 52 kilograms. I am a responsible, helpful, honest, respectful, and a friendly person. Mom, sir, I hope you won't disappoint because I have my tattoos on my arm and in my leg. Mom, sir, I have also my experience as a domestic helper in Oman. My first employer with 4 members, year 2017 to 2019. And my second employer with 3 members, year 2021 to 2023. I work as their all-around helper. I do cooking, cleaning, washing their clothes, ironing, and sometimes I do also marketing. But my main work is to taking care of their babies. Mom, sir, I don't know how to cook Chinese food, but I assure you that I am a fast learner for cooking. And if I have a chance to be your helper, I promise to do all my best to serve you better. And I also promise to follow your rules and regulations. Thank you, Mom and Sir, and have a good day.